Hey guys, today I'm back with these pretty cool Pac-Man nails, and if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting all of my nails with one coat black from Holo Taco. And then once that was dry, I just used a layer of yellow stopper to create a sticky base for the glitter. Waited about a minute, and then I went in with my Moyu London glitter in Gotham Black. It's like this black hollow. And I just brush that into that sticky base, and I'm rubbing until the glitters start laying flat. And once the sticky base is starts drying properly, you can rub it in with your finger. And in preserving that, I just applied a layer of glossy top coat. Now for the stamping, I'm just using my Moyu London Time Traveller, the 90s plate in 01. I'm just stamping Pac-Man in white. And then I stamped that on my nail. And because I ruined it a little bit when I stamped it, I'm just filling in the rest of it with some white stamping polish. You never know, I mucked it up. And then I just stamped over that in this neon yellow from Twinkle Tea. And I tried my hardest to stamp it on top of the Pac-Man. And then I went in with that same plate and a white stamping polish, and I just stamped the little dots that Pac-Man eats. This is a really flattering angle of my face. I just stamped that on my nail. And then I just went in and fixed those dots a little bit with a brush. So here I'm just stamping a ghost in white. And then I just stamped that on my finger. And I went over that with a neon pink from Twinkle Tea as well. I'll leave links to all the polishes and that I use in the description box. And then same as before, I'm just overlapping that over the ghost. And then here with my Moyu London Tutti Frutti 02 plate, I'm just stamping this cherry in white. And I kind of mucked it up when I stamped it on my finger, but off camera I fixed it. And then I went in with my green stamping polish from Twinkle Tea. I just stamped the stalks. And then stamped that on my nail. And then I went in with a red polish and I just stamped the cherries. And again, overlapping that on the nail. So off camera, I went in and just filled in a little bit of details of the white bits that you could see the colour through. And once I was happy with that, I applied a layer of smudge resistant top coat. And then I was done. And I was so happy with these Pac-Man nails. They're so cool. And I love the glitter I used as the base. It just gives it that extra effect. Love it. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe. Subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.